also for, and that's at the historic site.
Kind of like you'd hang for a decoration to show people, like how they'd have like pictures of things.
Well, the way that the colony was started, in like Massachusetts, and that they were finding what they call bog iron. So you go into the swamps, and you'd find basically chunks of iron.
How big would they usually find it?
It'd be sometimes up to about a fistful. And it was just,
Would it be burned?
it would burn up. I'd lose it all. And the next one I probably, where the Europeans tended to like more of like the C or D style. For the Dakota and Ojibwe, it's because normally, you'll have a belt on or what have you, piece of leather thong, tied down off, hanging off of it. Right now I'm just going to cause myself anger and frustration. So as I bring this piece around, if I wanted to weld it, what I'd have to do then is clean off the two surfaces. Carbon is going to burn hotter, and then using a blower to add in other air. So the blower is just a little bit more efficient than using a bellows.
Yeah.
Something that comes about in the 1850s, starting to travel back in. That way I don't harden it too fast.